Morning, morning, boys.
Morning.
Morning, squad. There we go, I'm up and running. Cool, wicked. Welcome, everyone. Let me just put this in. Morning. Right, let me just get this trades off over here. And there we go. Welcome to a new week. Let's put this on. A new week full of stuff. There we go. Morning, everyone. Beautiful. Nice YouTube entrance. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I thought, why not get one? Just went on Fiverr and got one. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. So yeah, good morning. We're going to be starting to look at the charts right now. We're a bit early today because I just wanted to start it up a little bit early for people to come on, but there's no rush. So looking like there's no news. Let's just take a look at the news this week. Not much news there. CPI. Let me just pin this down a little bit over here. GBP news at 7 o'clock on Thursday, and then some PPI. Okay, so this week is much easier than last week. Goddamn. So yeah, very nice. Very nice. So yeah, it looks like the week as a whole is not that bad with with news. So that's pretty good. Means that there won't be, a lot of rangers just waiting for news. That'll be kind of nice. So yeah, let me just see if all the microphones right and stuff. Yeah, I think it is. Class, right. So yeah, let's take a look then. It looks like it hasn't moved a lot in Asian, if I'm honest, which isn't the best for this session, but we'll take a look. So let's just take a look, and we'll start off on GJ over here. 1 second. Right. Okay. So the daily time frame on GJ, daily time frame at the moment is bearish. Let me just put in my little line here. Looks like we've gapped up a little bit. I'm just going to put it on the gap, I think. Yeah, I'll put it on the gap because that's where it started today. So at the moment we are currently bearish in the daily time frame, which is okay. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is bullish right now. That's okay as well. That's okay. So right now you can see that the daily is bearish, the 4-hour is bullish, so not the best area to take any trades in. You can start to see on the 4-hour time frame that there may be a level of area that we want to really break to then continue down. It's probably going to be around here, around this area. Like here. Would be nice for it to continue further down later on. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. Okay, so starting to see over here, it isn't the nicest, right? So the hourly time frame, pretty big ass range, which sucks kind of hard. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, the 15. Let's take a look. So I mean, the one thing you could say on the 30-minute is your support is around here, 167.60. So there's a minor one there. Then you've got a major one probably down here. So this zone is, yeah, 38 pips. That's not too bad. It looks like price below this area kind of moves kind of quickly, which is good. So potentially sells below 167.54. I may take a look at. But if we miss that out, then I'll probably just wait for below here. But I think that could be realistic. So let's just take a look here. Sells below 167.47. Nice. Wow, that intro is more chill than a free. People like the intro, yeah? I think people like the intro.
It was a good one.
Yeah, it's cool, right? Nice. Yeah, I'll be putting that on like maybe like 10 minutes, 12 minutes before every stream now. Okay, so yeah, sales below 167.47 could be kind of nice to continue down. Where would that look on the 4 hour? Yeah, I'll be passing them areas, so I think that's kind of nice. But you know, the first thing I always say is just be cautious in this area. It isn't the nicest area. So yeah, let's take a look at buys. So for buys, you can start to see where's resistance. Well, this is all resistance. This is a resistance line. This is resistance. This is resistance, and this is resistance. So kind of a lot of resistance everywhere, which sucks, to be honest with you. For me personally, let's take a look then. So what I'm looking at here when I'm trying to look on where to take some buys is the potential zones. If we break above, where could we continue to, and is it, you know, big enough? So if you had a resistance there, some seconds here, the distance between the next high is 8 pips and 15 to the next one, so it's kind of rough. It's really kind of hard for these buys. I may just wait for above. Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean potentially above here, I think. 1 second. Because if you have a buys above 161.358, that would be above the hourly resistance as well. So yeah, I mean maybe some buys above there, but it would be based on the 30 minute. Because if you look on the 15, the 15's choppy. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. Fuck it. I'm just gonna put it back up here. It's too risky. Especially, you know, on a Monday when we want to just chill and have a nice trade, getting in like buys here when there's rejections right there, it's just not a vibe. So GJ is so ugly this morning. Yeah, it looks pretty ugly, right? But that's fine. As I've said again and again and again, if you went through people in the simulation, people in the mentorship, if you went through the trade reviews, we literally went through all of the sessions. And where price was boring and very rangy, and then, you know, 2-3 days later it's fine. So, you know, and this is a whole month, a whole week as well. Last week we only had 4 days. So don't get worked up on taking trades instantly. If there's none there, just chill out, man. I mean, I can show you here. 1 second. So, sorry. You can see, you know, very small start to the week. You know, break-even trades, even though they hit 9 pips and like fucking ran 50 if you just left them. But you know, break even, then 1W, then a loss, and then all these wins come in. You know, the wins came right at the end of the week. You know, the last 2 days. So don't get worked up about taking trades if there's none there. Okay, just chill out. We'll do one for AJ. So looking like, oh, look at my review, my weekly outlook. My weekly outlook, I said that this daily candle should drive down. Looks like it's doing that pretty nicely, which is good to see. How many hours you trade London? Well, normally I start at 7 AM, but unfortunately today I have to leave a little bit early. I'm leaving at like 8:30, 8:35 because I've got a doctor's appointment because I'm just ill in every part of my body. So, yeah, I gotta go to that.
What's up, guys?
What's up? Yeah, you like it, Vincent? It's nice, isn't it? It's cool. Yeah. Literally took some guy in Fiverr like 5 minutes to do, and it cost me like a tenner. It's great. Fiverr is good, like it's good. Well, one of his like charter is pretty much the same. I was like, oh yeah, one of his like examples was literally that, just without my logo. And I was like, yeah, I want that. It's pretty cool. Something different. Everyone's got like the same ones, like with all their like YouTube promotion stuff. It's just vibey. Okay, so let's take a look over here. So AJ, obviously, it's clearly bearish right now, rejecting the highs at 93,644. We're continuing down, potentially to the next support, which is at like 91. 4 hour time frame. I said if this 4 hour time frame breaks this previous low, it should continue bearish. Taking a look on the hourly time frame and the 30-minute time frame, start to see, you know, the zone it's in, kind of the same as GJ, in a bit of a shitty area. So for me, it's probably gonna be probably gonna be sells below here for major sells. If you want to quick ones. Let's take a look at this zone. 17 pips. And all them rejection wicks. Yeah, I'm not taking that. However, let's take a look before. Yeah, I'm not taking this. It's the left hand side is too choppy for me to even want to try and jump in this in a trade, like just down to this next support. There's no need. So for me, I'm probably just gonna wait for sellers below. Sellers below 91,506. Very nice. Needs a soundtrack to intro you. I've just added the copy this music played on now. I just added that because it's kind of the same vibe, like lo-fi and stuff. So yeah, AJ sells below there. I mean, buys are not going to be valid for a while. I mean, I'd say buys preferably above here. So buys are very, very much invalid. Why? Because I want some strong daily and 4-hour candles, and it's all the way up there, so that's fine.
Max, on AJ, where would you take your profits? Because the next zones are also choppy.
I can see the main level of support's probably around here. That looks where price continues down till, so yeah. Yeah, it'd be there. 91,152.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, that'd be okay. Okay, let's take a look at gold. So gold, oof, God, the daily candles are looking nasty. Thank you for subscribing, everyone. Everyone who's new here, very nice. Okay, so the daily time frame on gold right now is pushing down. Very good, very nice. Okay, so yeah, the daily timer is bearish, nearly breaking the previous low. The weekly we saw that closed very, very bearish. Potentially filling that wick to 1850 is a good opportunity. Let's take a look then at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, yeah, is bearish. It's actually the last 4 hour didn't close below, which kind of sucks, but looking like it's pushing down kind of nicely. Let's take a look on the 50-minute and the 30-minute. So 30-minute support is at 1870. 50-minute support is at 1867. So yeah, this is also kind of hard, you know. It's very good, very nice. Yeah, it's kind of like hard to identify where you're gonna continue down to. I mean, where you'd potentially want on the 30-minute is down to 1862, like around here. However, where you're gonna get in, well, on the 30-minute time frame, maybe sells below 1870. But then the 15 is just here, but that's like 30 pips away. But it's like hard, man. It's like, I mean, even if you wanted this next 50-minute candle, could be okay. So start of the hourly, look at the hourly closing, very bearish. If this next one makes a top wick and drives, oh my god, the stop loss on the previous hourly candle is 25 pips. That's not even that bad. Just broken the low of the previous 30-minute. Yeah, very nice. Looking like it's gonna continue down. So, I mean, what you could potentially do is just on the 30-minute it sells below here, 1870, or what you could do is wait for this hourly to close right now, wait for a nice top wick up, and then just get in on the flip and see how far it drives, because it could drive kind of nicely. Yeah, the 4 hours should fill that wick, really. So yeah, looking like kind of a crappy morning, which is okay, you know. Don't get worked up about it, just stay focused, chill about as well, and just, you know, relax. But for me, there isn't looking like there's anything nice apart from maybe these gold trades here. Oh, I hope it just settles down a little bit, because it's looking like it's pushing kind of hard. But yeah, we'll see. How's everyone in the chat? So normally the hours I trade in London are between 7 and like 9, so 2 hours. 2 hours. Take a look at charts of the stream over here. Okay, this is GJ on the 30-minute time frame. buys above 161556. Safer buys above here, considering daily break and previous high. Very nice. Risky buys above 161. But daily and 4 hours with us, yeah, it's fair enough. I mean, if you get another like enough stronger candles, then I don't see why not. I suppose. Sells below here 167.62. Yeah, that's what I kind of look for. Or sells below 163.89. Very nice. Yeah, I think it's just been reserved about where you're gonna get in. You know, if there's a nice, nice option, then sure we can take it. But if it's a bit choppy, then yeah, we'll just leave it. Very good, very good. And you've identified the no trade range. And look, the no trade range is in this area, but it's also in the middle of the daily and the 4 hour. So beautiful. Because we don't like it between the daily and the 4 hour, do we? So very nice. How's everyone on Zoom? Hope you had a nice weekend. Vibing. I watched the F1 last night. Kinda good. Kinda good. I don't know if I like that track though. You can't really overtake that much.
What's up, boys?
What's up, my boy? How much percentage you risk in every trade? Depends on what trading pair, but if it's GJ or AJ, it's 1.4%. Yeah. If it's gold, it's 1.4%, 1.2%. If it's like 20 pips, if it's about 12 pips, then it's, it's like 0.6, 0.7. So basically I use GJ 10 lot and gold 5 lot, so because gold has bigger stops normally, and that's what I'm comfortable with. So yeah, good luck. I'm the person who made your design. I hope you are satisfied. Wait, what? No way. No way. Let's take a look over here. I don't believe you. That's sick. Wait, 1 second. Oh my god, it is as well. That's fucking dope. The guy in the chat's the one who did my streaming thing. That's sick. I think everyone liked it. Scroll up on the comments. They like that shit. Thanks, my brother. It is pretty cool, man. I like it. I don't know how you do that though, but that's pretty sick. I like it. Wow, it's cool, wicked. Now you got a new follower. Nice. Manchester fans at Brighton had a bad weekend, I suppose. Oh my god, yeah. It wasn't too nice, was it? Oof. It wasn't the nicest. So, okay, the hourly candles opened up over here on Goldie. It's actually pushed quite a lot of the way up. Didn't really close below 1870, which is okay. Let's take a look at how big this stop would be. Yeah, it's only 20 pips in this top wick, so if this candle came back up to 1973 and then reflipped, I don't see why not. You'd get the drive down again because it's looking pretty nice. So 4-0 to Brighton is crazy. Yeah, I watched the first half and I was like, right, I'm not watching anymore. This is painful. It's just so it's just a team that just doesn't know how to work. It's so bad. It's no good, no good. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, it's just not nice at all, man. So we'll see. I saw that you did not complete the order and did not comment. I want to check if there was a problem. Oh no, man. Oh wait, I'll do that today, man. For sure. 1 second. I think I'm on it right now. Can I complete it? I swear I did complete it. Oh, there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There we go. I've done it now, I think. Wait 1 second. There we go. There you go, my man. Nice. Beautiful. So check NJ. Sir, send me a chart, please. Oh my god, it's already flipped. Goldie. Goldie's already flipped over here. Yeah, my only issue is, I mean, the next level support's right there. You could squeeze maybe 15 pips out of it. But that happened kind of quickly, damn. So flipping now should continue back down. If you went on the 30-minute time frame, you're kind of a nice stop to hold up there. Like, and at 19 pips, to me feel these wicks like 57. That would be kind of nice. That would be kind of nice. The only issue I have for it is that it's quite early for gold. I don't really like trading gold before 8. Kind of slow. So yeah. How much you made last month? 39%. 39%, bitch. Stop playing. So yeah, looking like goldies came down. Wow, I made that top wick, and then the next thing I look, it's already done it. Damn. Missed out. I might have done that over here. Anyhow, but yeah, looking like GJ is not looking too nice right now, but that's all good, man. It's all good. You just chill out. Don't worry about it. So yeah, let's take a look here. Let me just scroll up. So yeah, man, I watched that Manchester game. Damn, I watched the Newcastle game as well. Newcastle game was fun. That Alan St. Maximin, why the fuck do people rave at him, man? Oh, he's so bad. Send a chart, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, make sure to go in Discord and send some charts. Newcastle played well. Yeah, they did. They didn't play too bad. It's just Alan St. Maximin, the amount of opportunities he's in, and he just fucking skies it. Bro, please, just get off the pitch. I don't like him at all. Yeah. So maybe today, I mean, my thing is that the range is kind of big, right? So if you just mark this, I mean, the range is huge. It's just the price action in it is garbage. It's bloody garbage. But it's all good. We'll wait and be patient. Oh shit, where's our magic keys gone? 1 second. Oh, there we go. So yeah, the homework we're going to go through tomorrow. People that have already sent me it, I'm going to go through that today with you. And then tomorrow we're going to go through it as a group. So that'll be good to do. Could you also please explain what does the daily and 4 hour tell us about price? It tells you where it is in terms of the higher time frame. So right now I can be on the 50-minute time frame on AJ, and I know that the daily is very, very bearish, and I know that the 4 hour is bearish right now, just from looking at the 15-minute. So it means that I don't have to keep on checking the 4 hour and the daily here every fucking 3 seconds. I can just look at the 15 and always know in the back of my head what it's looking like. So yeah. So looking like it's holding a little bit of support in these areas, which is fine, and people may be trying to look for buys, but for me it's just like, there's too many resistances everywhere. It's just a bit poor. Oh man, I'm fucking pissed off about that. I should have taken that gold. I just thought it was coming up here, and I was like, right, it's just going to take a while to make the top wick and then drive. Is it fucking 2 minutes later? So that would have been TP1 hit. Nice. Then stop us to break even. If it breaks that low, it should continue down to 1870. Yeah, I should have got that. Oh well. Oh well. But yeah, so I'm leaving at like 8:30. I need to remember, actually. Let me put a little timer on before I just get involved in this. And I end up fucking up somehow. Let me just put this on. Yeah, I'll do 8. I'll give it a 8:30. Okay. Oh, looking like AJ's flipping over here. Very, very nice. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. But yeah, as I say, this zone is just a little bit choppy, so. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You're good, you're good. We're all good. Let's have some more questions there, guys, on YouTube. Make sure to come and ask some questions, or anyone taking any losing trades already this morning. We'll take a look at that. It's very important to look past your losing trades. So theoretically, it looks like it's retraced now. How much would I have been up there? Yeah, would have got 10 pips there. That ain't too bad though. Well, I love a trade that he didn't enter as reverse. You think, okay, it wasn't that good then. Thank God for that. It would have hit TP1 though, which kind of sucks. But yeah, last week was kind of good. I mean, my small account, like I show you guys, did some pretty beefy gains last week, which is good. Very nice. Second, I'll show you again. So you're using my standard lots. I'm gonna put these up. I keep on forgetting to put these up on my small account, just on my big ones. But all about the big winners. Very nice winners we took all week, to be honest with you, on the small account. And then the losers, keeping them small, right? So very small losers. My biggest loser was one of my smallest winners. Yeah, it was. So my biggest loser here, minus 44 as well. One of my biggest losers, minus 37, was, you know, smaller than my smallest win. So that's what you gotta do, man. That's what you gotta do. Oh, looking like GJ's rejecting a little bit. Damn. Very nice. Come back down here and I'll take some nice sells. So now gold has broken the low. Now we should continue down to 1870. But as I say, it's only like 10 pips to get there now. So yeah. Charts for Discord. Okay. Right, Kyle, you need to give me more. You need to give me more here, right? You keep on sending me charts every single week, but you send me. I mean, so how the fuck am I meant to know how you got in here? Did you take a sell on this candle? 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 I don't know. You know, tell me a bit more information. Look, I'll give you an example, right? Look at this. You know, a random chart is nothing to me. You need to give me a little bit more. You know, it'll take 5 minutes to do. It doesn't take long, and it'll be much better. So I'm just gonna show you an example of what I want to see. This.
He's grand blown up. Full grand famous.
So something like this. So number one, clear very bearish volume and clear bearish structure. Nice. Number two, bearish closure below support. Price should now drive into zone 2. Enter a sell on the break of the low with stop loss on the current high. TP1 here, TP2 here, Bob's your uncle. This is what I want. So, you know, it takes literally 3 minutes to write this. So just write it out and you'll be good. Yeah, get me up to 10k followers, man. I need 10k now. People are still getting scammed, man. I need that blue tick, boy. Okay, looking like GJ's just doing its own thing over here now. Damn, it wasn't just bearish like 30 seconds ago. Yeah. So yeah, just be patient in this zone. If it doesn't break nicely today, then, you know, I'm gonna wait tomorrow. Was it 0.4 lot or 0.04 on your small account? 0.4 on my small account. Yeah. But you can see there, like on my small account there, like I've been growing it ever since. And that week I made like 400 quid. 400 quid on the small account. I mean, you know, that's a lot of money. That's 1,600 a month. That's more than pretty much my girlfriend makes at a law firm as a paralegal. So even on that small one, it's still, if you can do it, it's still good, right? It's still good. So yeah, hope you had a great weekend. I had a really nice weekend. I actually, I'm not gonna lie, on Saturday I slept for 16 hours. I felt a bit blown out, like I was just working so much. I was like, right, I need to like chill out over here. And I was in bed the whole day, just chilling, and just passed out every 2 minutes. It's great. Which book would you recommend to start reading? Trading in the Zone. It's the only one I kind of read, and it was good. It was very good. So yeah, it was very pleasant, I'd say. 16 hours sleep is a great flex. Well, it's the first week that I can kind of chill. Hi Max, good morning. Would you show your zones on AJ chart? Yeah, these ones? Sorry, let me zoom out. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, there isn't actually that many because they were just trending, but this would be the resistance line right now. But for me, I wouldn't take buys above there, I don't think. I think it's still very, very bearish. Take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I mean, actually, to be honest with you, you could if you wanted, but it'd be kind of risky. But yeah, right now it's kind of in no man's land. I still want this candle to continue back down to these lows, but this price action is way too bad. I'm just waiting for sells below here. Why not buys on GJ61 and 0.70? I mean, you could. I mean, if you want to, but you know, someone in Zoom tell me why do I not want to take buys there?
Makes me rain, man. It's horrible.
Yeah,
It's so bad.
it's fucking garbage. Yeah, the zone is crappy.
Struggle.
Yeah, it's gonna be. I mean, it might, you know, because of London volume and it's been ranging, it may just blast through. But you know, it's like the trades where you're kind of just going in the dark. You know, you could take a buy there. Hopefully, you know, it continues. But for the most part, you're just in no man's land of where you're gonna close profits. You know, how far it's gonna move. It's just gonna be painful. And you know, like when we go back to the sessions that we made a lot of money on, did we take these trades here actually? No. We made a lot of money on.
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
Oh, did we? Here.
Yeah, I think we got in.
Oh yeah,
somewhere in there.
I think we got in there.
Yeah, somewhere. I can't remember.
Oh, nice. Well, yeah. So like, I want these candles, big ass candles. I want these beefy ones. If you take a look, like all around here as well, and the third, all here. Can you see all these nice strong candles? This is where I want to take trades in. But when we're ranging like this, you know, I'm not asked to take a trade. It's just not. It's not in my. It's not in my vocabulary. I'm not asked. There's no need. So I'm here to teach you about the consistency, and the consistency comes from the discipline of not taking trades in shitty areas. Yep. Gold looks bearish on all time frames. What's your plan there? Yeah, I kind of missed the first kind of sell, which sucks. Now probably sells below 1870 on the 30-minute. Yeah, that's what I'm probably going to wait for. So we'll do that. Wait, what? Why is some guy wanting... Felicita. I swear you... Felicita, I think you got kicked out, right? Oh no, he's in now. Did you come on? 1 second. Oh yeah, you did. Okay, yeah, you're back in it now, bro. You should have just got the link there. 128 members. Fucking hell, Jesus Christ. Okay, switch to Bitcoin. We'll probably get a sell there. Oh my god, yeah. I've seen some crypto recently. Oh my god. Oh my god. Every day I look at it, it keeps on going back down. It's still going down today. Oh, it is as well. Oh. Mate, some people have been... So let's take a look then. The past week, Bitcoin's highest was 32,000. Now it's 27, so that's 14%. Let's take a look at the month. 20%. Oh, 20% in a month. Fucking hell.
Yeah. I sold all my crypto a couple of days before you decided to sell yours.
Oh really?
I think we're still good.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything.
Everyone was laughing at me. Suck on them nuts fuckers. You guys are all down bad. I sold it in March.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
It was literally 2 days before you decided.
That's well funny because it went up a little
so
bit.
we've done well.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't bother.
Yeah.
I took my money and I ran.
Yeah. Yeah.
Vincent, now it's time to buy again.
I don't know.
It's gonna drop a little more. And then I'm gonna buy.
Yeah, I'm just like, yeah, it's like no, because like the past like 5 days I've been looking at it, and I'm like, oh, I could buy now, and then every time I look the next day, it's also dropped another 5%. I'm like, oh, it's not ready yet.
Exactly the
hell
same
no.
here. Every time I look, it's like maybe a little bit. I'm thinking, no, I wait till the end of the week, and poof, it went down.
Yeah, you're like, oh, maybe not yet.
I'm gonna buy it 0.
Yeah, I'll buy it at literally 1 penny. Yeah, then I'll fucking...
Yeah.
Well, it's because it's the thing, isn't it? Like, if you actually think about the gains, I'd rather just have the money in my trading account, because it's consistent and it isn't as risky as fucking crypto. Jesus Christ! Like, my mate's had so much of crypto, and he's like, oh, I'm just used to it. Like, he says, like, you know, if it goes down 10% one day, I'm kind of like, yeah, that's fine. It's like, oh my god. It's like, I said, if that money was literally in front of you and you just saw it getting wiped out, you're like, oh. I sold at the top. Oh wow, Bitcoin, nice, very nice. How much do you risk per trade on your small account? On a small account, it's a little bit riskier, I'd say. I mean, actually, so let's work it out. So it's nearly, I think it's nearly 4,000 now, and I risk £56. So 4,440. Oh, that's not actually that bad. So it's nearly, it's like 1.5. But back in the day when I started, because I literally been using this lot size the whole time, I had a 1.5k account with, and I was using £56. So that was kind of, let's take a look over here. I was like 3%. Yeah. But like for me, like I don't even look at the percentage on the small one, because of the fact that I know I'm profitable every week pretty much. It's like by quite a huge margin. So as long as I don't fuck it up in the week, you know, massively, then I'm always gonna be up. So that's what Raj kind of did. He's like, you know, I'm gonna be profitable for the week, so I can just make the percentage up as long as I don't like look at it and go, oh shit, I've just lost 3%, like. Because he did over risk on his big one right now when he was up like that. You ever try 5% plus? I mean, when I was younger, yeah, but it's a bit too much. It's a bit oof. With a 75% win rate, you can risk 5% per trade. Well, yeah, but let's just take a look for an example. So let's just take a look here when I took some L's. Yeah, I mean that's after them 2 winners though, I suppose. But like them 3 L's there would have been nearly a 10% loss. So it's like, do you want to take 10%? Oh, 10% loss. Like oof, 10% loss is like a oof. So let's take a look then. So can you see that right now where my 4-hour fib line is right here? It's right at the entry, so you know it's not a strong candle yet. So you know I'm still not happy with it. I want to come back down below here. Yeah, you see Lewis Hamilton with all that jewelry thing. Why are they cracking down jewelry? What the fuck is that? What is the reason for doing it? So then he comes up with like 4 watches and like 10 chains and shit. He's got like all of like his all his rings on and stuff. They're just banning it. That's a bit stupid.
It's been a rule forever. They just haven't really been enforcing it. Part of it to do with like the nose ring and stuff is to do with if he has an accident and they take him off to hospital and they have to do MRI scans and all that sort of stuff. It's kind of like if you've got hidden bits of jewelry and those sorts of things that you're not supposed to have, and he's obviously in a critical condition. But I don't know. It kind of seems a bit stupid.
For racing, so you're not allowed to wear jewelry.
Yeah.
Oh well, that's kind of fair enough.
Yeah. Well, he's
he's
allowed to wear it the rest of the time. It's during the race, he's not allowed to wear it.
Oh right. Yeah. I mean, does Lando and them wear their like Richard Milles on when they're racing? No. Or not? Yeah. I think it would just get in the way, right? Like something on your hand. I think I'd hate that. That kind of makes more sense. I thought he just wasn't allowed at all, like around, like when he was walking around and shit. I'm like, that's pretty fucking stupid. Like, what the fuck is this? Alright, it kind of makes more sense. That race was interesting, man. They were on hards the whole time. I was kind of surprised. Why were they on hards? Does anyone know? Because I only watched like the last like 10-15 minutes. They're all on hard tires, but were they on soft towards the start of the race?
One weekend I haven't watched.
Oh really?
Hey
I
guys,
think they
how's it
started
going?
on softs. Yeah.
Yeah.
How's it going, guys?
Actually, I think they even
Good,
started on
good.
intermediates.
Oh wow, really? Intermediates. How's
I
Milan?
upgrade my laptop. I bought a RAMs,
Oh
everything,
nice.
my new cam, everything.
Nice.
Yeah.
Milan's
I'm not using cell phone anymore. I'm not using cell phone.
Yeah, your
anymore.
mic's much better. Thank fuck for that.
Yeah.
I might do that, I'm like, if you join the mentorship, do not have a fucking potato ass mic, or I'll fucking beat you out. Yeah, I've been looking at a new mic, man. I'm gonna have to buy one. I think I'm gonna get this. Yeah, this is one that controller told me to get. It's one that every streamer has. Yeah.
Oh, that's a for how do you say?
What?
Oof.
Yeah.
For a cast like
Stream casting.
that mic. Like Joe Rogan has.
Yeah, that's what Joe Rogan has. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I might just get that. I might just get that. Wow, looking like we don't forget to like the stream. Yeah, man, looks like we are. Let's take a look at other streamers. Who many Let's take a look who's on today. We've got DC on. I think we got I think Dr. Dollar's on today. Dr. Dollar's on today. He's been off a while. Champion Pips. Look at that. 300. Sheesh. Okay, GJ's coming down. Nice. 725. I'm not going to be rushing into any trades though, unless there's some nice things. Because look over here, can you see this is hourly support? So what I prefer to do is get in on the hourly close, right? But if this 30-minute candle 4 minutes time closes nice solidly below here and makes a nice ass top wick and then drops, then I don't see why not. But I won't be rushing in, especially when this price action is a little bit shitty. Max, where do you post the homework? Just send it to me on Telegram, and I'll take a look at them. I'm gonna go through them today. That's if you want one-to-one. If not tomorrow, then we're gonna do the all together. But yeah, just send it to me. So for example, I'll give you an example here. Jayan over here sends me it every time when he has it here, just in a PDF. Just sends me it in a PDF. Oh, I mean, where is it? Oh, okay. It's a little bit further up in the chat. So, if you're in this chat here, just scroll up. It should be on like May the May the 2nd. It's there. Just click on it, and then it'll come up, and then you can just save it, and then you can annotate. Yeah. Looking like we're coming down nicely. Let's take a look on the 50-minute time frame over here. Oof, that's kind of a strong closure, nearly. Yeah, stream quality will be high. The only thing I want to change in my stream is when I look back at the replays, my website. So if I'm on TradingView, it has a little bit of a blur, like here, when I rewatch it. I don't know why. Maybe something to do with the dimensions of it or something, and I want to be able to change that. That's the only thing that it's really starting to bug me. So yeah. New mic is a myth. Well, I bought a new mic, right? I bought a new headset because this one still hurts my fucking ear because this has still got a metal plate on, right? But I bought it and put it on, and just the mic just wasn't as good. Like, it just wasn't. So I'm like, alright, okay, I'm gonna have to just get a good mic. and then just get a nice headset. GPY starting to wake up. Yeah. Oh yes, looking good, looking good. But can you see though, people trying to get into early buys here are gonna be slapped. Just wait until the higher time frames kind of sort itself out. Sorry. So let me just look at this over here. So looking like it's retracing, so looking like we won't be getting the sells anytime soon at the moment, but that's fine. I'm not really too asked. As I say, I'm you know, if I was on a caution scale right now, it'd be kind of high because the zone is a little bit choppy and a little bit scary. So, you know, that's why I kind of relax. There's no need. Press and buy and sell at the same time. Oh my god. Buy and sell at the same time. Yes. Yeah, this headset's fucking hurting me. I'm gonna have to find it and try and repair it. But my mic couldn't get delivered around 25th. So I think. Oh my god, Brian! Every single thing you do in South Africa is a fucking negative. Why the fuck are you there? It's because you're fucking pussy whipped by your wife. She wanted to go back. Imagine gets delivered on the 25th. Your mic, fucking hell. If I buy a mic now, it'll come tomorrow.
Everything I buy online gets stopped by payment.
Oh, that's just not a vibe.
They want to charge you that for it, right? They want to charge you additional that.
Yeah. Oh, let me check these headphones.
Those are terrible delivery times. Because considering where I live, if I buy a mic today, I have it by the end of the week.
Yeah,
I live in the
that's
fucking
good.
Arctic Circle.
That's good for living in the Arctic Circle. Fucking hell.
Yeah, that's it. And mine still said estimated delivery time to eat them.
Oh, these are the ones that the streamers have. Yeah, these are the ones that like KSI has and shit. Yeah, the velvet tops. Yeah, okay, I'll keep these because I've been trying to find these actually. Yeah, nice. They're like lightweight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy them as well. God, man, I'm gonna spend so much money. Make sure you like the stream so I can afford all this shit. Hope you're feeling better. I'm still a bit fucked up to be honest with you. Yeah, looks like I'm coughing a little bit less, but yeah, it still kind of sucks. Where do you live? I live in Newcastle, but I may be moving soon. My girlfriend wants to move to London, and I said as long as the rent isn't, you know, ridiculous, then I'll probably come with you. So
Good luck with that.
Yeah. But she
Rent side.
She goes. Well, as long as it's not like I just hate giving someone like, because I mean I've obviously just bought that quarter of a house, right? Or you know, I bought like you know, a lot of the house. Obviously I don't want to just jump in without having, you know, some backup, because for me, you know, money is not fixed. So for example, if she gets a job over there, she's got it all, you know, all good. Obviously I make, you know, 10 times 15 times more money than she does, you know, a week, but mine's variable, and for me I like having security, right? So I gotta save it up a bit. I need to be a little bit more of a Jew again and save up for like 6 months, and then I can be chill. Stop paying that. No man, I want to buy like two more houses, and then I can move anywhere. That's what I want to do. I'm not giving anyone my fucking money. I made this money. I'm not paying their rent, their mortgage. Hell no. But yeah, no, she wants to go somewhere like it's a bit more like studenty. So like she said like Clapham or Fulham apparently. That's what she likes. Yeah, man, I've got one house now.
Max, you couldn't have picked worse places. Clapham and Fulham is like the expensivest place to live in.
Oh fuck. Well, I don't want to be in like fucking Brixton where I get shanked every fucking 3 minutes. You know, I need somewhere all right. You know what I mean? Like,
I used to live in Brixton.
I'm only saying Brixton because that fucking song. fucking remember.
Yeah, it's up and coming, Brixton. Brixton's quite expensive now as well. It's very
Is
up
it?
and coming. Yeah.
Maybe there, then maybe I don't know. Anywhere, to be honest. I mean, if fucking students can live there, then fuck me. I mean, I should be able to live there. You know what I mean? And I just, but I think I said to her, I was like, I just need Wi-Fi. But I'm assuming Wi-Fi in London is probably better than over here. You can imagine if I just move down, not checking the Wi-Fi, get there and the Wi-Fi sucks and I can't stream. Oh my god, what the fuck would I do? I'd pay like £1,000 a month, and I can't even live there because I can't even do my job. Oof. Battersea is a nice area. Ah, yeah, Battersea. Go to Manchester. Yeah, we want to go to Manchester as well. But I think a lot of her friends are in London now, and also she wants a big lawyer job in London, so they pay bank. So there we go on GJ. 50-minute close back, not below the zone, so it's still in this range. Where are you buying your house investment, Max? I just bought one and looking for another. In Newcastle, Newburn, Heaton, all that kind of area. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna, I just, for me, you know, the whole like kind of flexing thing at the moment is kind of like put to the side, even though I do want a Ferrari very soon. But anyway, I want to be able to, you know, have money coming out, money coming into my account every single month for me doing fuck all pretty much. And, you know, housing's quite a good way of doing that. So yeah. Was it hard to explain to the banks? Well, yeah. Well, I mean, to be honest with you, it is quite tough. So you just got to give them the cash. Well, you know, you just sack the bank off and just go, you know what, fuck yeah, I'll just use my own money. So yeah. So you gotta have a lot more money up front, right? Are you funded? Nope, I got my own funds now. Have had it for like 2 years now. 3 years nearly. It's a pain, man. They won't lend money for sure. Too risky. But to be honest with you, it just gives you motivation to just make more money, right? You know, if they're not going to borrow it, then you're never going to be in debt. You're never going to have liabilities. You're never going to be paying interest. You never, you know. Even though, yeah, you can't, you know, finance a lot of stuff. It's probably for the best. Just save up the cash and just give it to them. Max, on gold, the stop loss is around 20 pips most of the time during NYS. So is it a good idea to close 90% on 10 pips? Thoughts? Nope, it is not. Depending on the setup though. So if you know that this is going to be a 90% entry and you're going to get 10 pips and it's good, then why not? But for me, normally if the zone's a little bit bigger, I'll hold on to 15, 20 as well. Depends, you know, if you know it's going to work out, you know, 99, 95% of the time, it doesn't matter what your R2R is because you know it's going to work, really, as long as it's not, like, diabolical. Sir, please check NJ. I've literally told you to send me a chart. Send me a chart. Okay, let's take a look over here. There's actually some charts over here. Very, very nice. I need to get Discord up and running, but man, I really can't be arsed. I don't have enough time in the day. My day's so quick, and I just can't make this, like, I want to make it a big chat for everyone, but because people don't pay in Discord, they're not going to use it. So that's why I kind of just stay with my, you know, with my chat over here, because people will, you know, look at this effort that I'm going to look at over here. You know, they put more effort in because the people are paying. You know, it's not, if it's free, they don't put enough effort in. That's the reason why I like it. Exactly, Vincent, exactly. Okay, let's take a look at this over here. Nice. So this is Dawson again, always putting on his massive trades. You know, wow, cool wicket. He held on that whole time. This one here, oh my god, very nice. Let's take a look over here. So this is someone marking their chart up. Sells below 168.39. Okay. The only thing I'd say with those sells 839 right there is the fact that you've got a little bit of support right there. I'd probably have it below there, because when you get sells below there now, the next support is there, which is, you know, a bigger zone. This zone's like 23 pips. That's probably a little bit nicer, I'd say. So just take a look there, but very, very good. Let's take a look then. So buys above the daily flip. Okay, yeah, I would probably just say wait for above over here. But yeah, actually, even on the 30-minute time frame, maybe buys above there you could potentially do as well. But yeah, nice, good work. I like your nice charts. That chart's quite clean, like blue and black. It's kind of nice. Very nice. Controller effects, your stop losses are at about 40-50 pips. What's your opinion? Sometimes it is, but sometimes it's also 20 pips, 25 pips. So, you know, it's whatever he wants to do, right? Normally, and I say this again and again, if you don't like the way controller trades with those big stop losses, if you go on the 50-minute time frame, there's normally a nicer stop, right? So if he's like trading on the hourly time frame, so yeah, so like for example here, if he was trading on the hourly time frame and he wants to take a sell on this flip with stop loss above, he's got to, you know, imagine this is like a 40 pip stop. You could just use a current candle highs and you've just halved it. But 15 and 30 minutes always give you those examples. So sometimes I'll enter a trade pretty much identical to controller, but I'll use a 15-minute stop loss instead of a hourly, just because my stops are a lot, because then my R is, you know, okay. But it's down to, you know, each other. Don't put some, I know you're not putting someone down, you're just asking about it, but I think, you know, instead of worrying what they're doing, just kind of make it towards how you could use it, you know, adapt it to what you like. Like, I mean, the amount of times in the chat over here, I don't have just, you know, yes men and followers here. A lot of people, sometimes if I take a trade and they don't want to do it, they won't take it because they're their own trader. I've given them the tools to make their own strategy, and what they like and what they don't like, and then they execute their own trades. So a lot of the times, you know, sometimes I'll take a winning trade, sometimes I'll take a losing trade, and they'll go, oh yeah, I didn't take that because I didn't like this. This is what I want you to do. Get independence. So sometimes people in the group, so, you know, I have 129 people. Can you see over here, I've got 50 people in the Zoom. Some people just want the signals, which is fair enough. You know, sometimes they've got their jobs. So a lot of people want to learn properly how to trade. So giving them the tools and the feedback to make their own thing, because everyone's different, right? You can't, like, for example, I learned off Raja pretty much the whole journey. Obviously I used Ted and etc, some other people, but, you know, some things I didn't like about his. For example, you know, he liked getting in before candle closures every so often, or impulses. I just didn't like it. I'd rather just wait for the closures. He got in at certain times where I didn't like, before hourly candle closures and stuff. And so I made that different to mine. So, you know, always just look at other people's strategies, what you like about it, what do you not like about it, and then just improve what you don't like about it. So yeah, 354 people in here. Amazing work, guys. Smashing it. Smashing it. But yeah, as I say, there isn't much at the moment, so just kind of chill out over here. Looking like AJ's popping up, which is nice to see. But yeah, we'll see. Can you teach us about the buys above the daily flips? Well, if you've got the daily with us, it makes it a lot easier, right? So always keeping them daily in 4 hours with you would make it a lot easier, right? I just married a rich wife. Oh, Sashin's in the building, mate. Sashin missed the last Friday. Oh, missed 2 stinking trades. Oh my
fuck, man. That one day. God damn. Right. 2 bangers as well. They're nice.
Yeah, they're good, man.
Good weekend.
Very relaxing, actually. I did pretty much fuck all. I just watched football and chilled out. Actually, what am I about? I went out on Friday.
Yeah, you were out on Friday, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was out on Friday.
See you online on Insta at like 2 in the morning. I was like, yeah, he's out.
Yeah, I was having a little boogie. And then, And then yeah, and Sunday just been vibing, to be honest. Sorry, you didn't explain it. Can you teach about the buys above the daily flips? I mean, there's nothing much about it. It's just I want to take buys above this level, above the daily flip, because the daily will then be bullish, and then therefore buys are going to be much easier when the daily's with us. That's literally it. It's not hard. So yeah. But yeah, still nothing much yet. I can't see much yet. So in Discord where I send my chart, okay. So Discord, if you just joined, go to the server rules, click this button right here. If you don't click this button, you're not going to see anything. When you click that, then go to the chart to the stream here, and then you can put them in. So yeah. So we'll see. Yeah, it's interesting to see where do people think that GA is gonna go then. For me, I still think it's gonna be bearish. Unless we come above here, I still think we're gonna be bearish today. You can see it pretty well, right? So if you do break above 161.558, we're gonna continue bullish. If we break below, we're gonna continue back down to these lows, which would be rather nice for us. Would be rather nice for us. Sometimes it can be a daily wick up, right? Well, yeah, for sure, but you know, it's just the process of. I mean, it's hard to explain just in one thing, but you know, on average, when you take in trades, if you have the daily and the 4 hour with you, price is much easier to trade with. Did I make a box for this? What the fuck? Where are all my March trades gone? Oh, I never did March. Okay, sorry. There we go. Yeah, I might make some extra columns here about 4 hour and dailies, because they're pretty much always with me. Well, at least the 4 hour, pretty much. So, yeah. Hi Max, I'm looking to try to trade between 5 PM and 10 PM UK times. What would you recommend is the best pair to exit trade during these times? Oh, that's a bit of a shit time, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think the one thing that you could potentially look at is 4 o'clock. Between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock would be the JBP pairs, so JBP, GPY, Jesus Christ, GJ. In that time, because it's London close. Sometimes in London close you'll get some moves. So if you take a look here, what time would that be at? 1 second. Show you through examples. But yeah, 5 till 10 is normally a pretty garbage question, zone. Okay. Where would that be at? Like 11 or 12? Sorry, 12. That's 12 at. Yeah, let's do like 11:30. Okay, I'll do a little bit further below. Okay, let's just take a look at like this zone then. I mean, you can just, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's the issue, man. So just look at time zones and look at this. So you're asking me for about 4 o'clock or whatever till about 10. So 10 would be, I mean, like there. So take a look. I mean, looking like there's some moves there, but can you see overall? Oh, I mean that was news. It's not the nicest place to trade, is there? So
maybe if you move to dollar yen, because that's US also, I mean New York also.
Yeah.
Would be moving a bit better.
Yeah. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so what I advise you do is to go through some pairs and just find pairs that have the biggest volume in these things. So just go to indicators, go to time zone, and then, you know, work it about, because it's kind of hard for the pairs that I trade. Like, if I had to avoid a time to trade in my pairs, that would be between 5 and 10. So, you know, it's not really the best. Let's Go baby pips. Yeah, I think somebody need to go to baby pips for sure. Let's take a look. USD is active then. Yeah. So that could be a little bit better than GJ, I suppose. Yeah, that's true. That is true. So still in this range, as I say. Let's take a look at gold. Gold has been fucking here for ages now. It's just been messing about. And AJ, as I say, I mean, look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, if it comes back above there, I mean, maybe buys above 91, 980. Could be okay. Could be okay. So yeah, as I say, guys, I am leaving a bit earlier this morning. It looks like probably is going to be the best date for me to leave a little bit early because it just looks a bit shit. But I'll probably be leaving at like 8:30 because I got a doctor's appointment at 8:45. So yeah. But like this whole waiting game here of just waiting and being patient is so important. I mean, I literally preach it every day because like it's so important. What you'd be doing if you were by yourself is you'd be like, alright, okay, we're making some support here with broken highs, then maybe let's take a buy right now. Let's continue, and then you'd probably get slapped, and then you take some sells down here, you get slapped. You know, there's a lot of things that just will not be a vibe. So what I recommend is chilling. 50 minutes made a top wick bearish, should continue back down, but I've been saying that for about an hour now. it's been taking a long time. So we'll see. Wow, 2,143 views already. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very nice. But yeah, we'll be doing some more giveaways and stuff like that very, very soon. But the more likes, the more subscribes we get, the more giveaways we can give out for people, which would be nice. So make sure to like up the stream. I will send the chart analysis every day. Amazing. That's what you gotta do. That's what I do with Raja. So make sure to do that. Make sure to do that for sure. Oh yeah. So yeah, in the mentorship group, we're gonna be doing this simulation. We're gonna be doing the simulation very, very soon. Sorry, simulation's gonna be probably on Wednesday, Thursday, and the homework is on Tuesday tomorrow. So Lambo giveaway for lifetime manage. I've been in a new Bugatti. You see what you did? You're telling some random to go buy something like. What's this guy? Yeah, make sure to send the chart analysis in every day. It will help you out significantly. Significantly. Yes, bro, Lambo giveaway. That would be fire. A Lambo giveaway. Oh yeah. But yeah, as I say, you know, this week is a lot easier with news. Last week, if you survived last week, well done. Pat yourself on the back because there was an absolute shitload of news. Gold check, yep, it's here, great. Yeah, there is so much news. Finally, Goldie breaking the previous hourly lows again for like the 15th time. Just continue down, bitch. So boring. Last week's results was -1 pips. Oof. You survived it. -1 pips. Well, make sure to go through those losing trades. Hopefully you've journaled them, and if so, just send me them in the chat and I can take a look at them. It's so important to do that, I'm telling you. So damn important. Importante. absolutely no need to trade these days. Lamborghini, you become Mr. Beast of Forex. So 7 minutes left for the hourly to open. Hourly to open. Looking like GJ's maybe flipping over here to continue bullish, but as I say, I ain't gonna risk this, I don't think. Well, there you go. Wow, that flew out of nowhere. 10 pips hit instantly. That feels like a bit of news over here. Gosh, slipped 11 pips. Oh wait, I lost 3% because of slippage on gold on Friday. Oh yeah. Oh, I saw controller got slipped pretty badly. Yeah. Oh, that was nice on gold there, wasn't it? Finally pushed through. Very nice. So if this hourly closes below here, yeah, we've got a nice zone to fill still. 1863. 4 hour time frame pushing nicely now, so maybe gold sells could be kind of nice. Maybe. So we'll see. I'm up 3% for last week. Small and consistent. Nice. Very nice. That's what you gotta do. Very nice. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like GJ's coming back up over here, back into that solid range. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on gold over here. How much is stop speed right now? 30 pips in the previous 30. 15 right now. 26 pips. Okay. That's okay.
Max, on a social trading tool, you can risk 1% on an account and on another account, let's say 10%. Oh, okay.
Hey, boy. Yeah, so look, can you see here again, guys? Look where we're at on GJ. It might break out eventually, but we're in this little area between the 4 hour and the daily. So right now the 4 hours bullish, the daily's bearish. I hate trading that area, so another reason why. Earthquake in Japan. Oh shit. Earthquake in Japan right now. Oh my god. Let's take a look. A big one. Not near that. It's not there yet. Six or something. Oof. Has anyone felt an earthquake before? Don't think I ever have.
Yeah, I've had a 6 something.
Oh.
Okay, Mag. Yeah, laying in bed, and I was like, the light started shaking on the roof, and I'd just done a long haul flight back to Australia from the US, and I'd hopped into bed, put my earplugs in because it was daytime, and I'm laying there, and I kind of felt it shaking, and I just thought it was like my partner coming in or something and like shaking the bed to wake me up or something. I don't know. And I look up and I see the lights shaking, and I was so confused as to what was going on.
Like riding one of those rodeo bulls. I was in one last a year and a half ago. Exactly the same. I was lying in my bed, but I was working at the iron mine, and they had a collapse in the mine at 3:30 in the morning. And I was about an hour before I usually went down. And the whole thing collapsed, and I was riding around on my bed. I was like, what the fuck? The whole thing is coming down. Yeah. And as soon as my bed stood still, I jumped out and looked out the window to see if the iron mine wasn't a big pile of smoke and debris. But
yeah.
But it was fire. The fire department was all over it. So
yeah.
we were on standby a couple of weeks. So. And then the most exciting thing, they send you 1,600 meters underground to fix everything, while you still hear it tweaking and cracking and banging.
So, I have felt several earthquakes in Taiwan. It's interesting being in a tall building that's swaying back and forth. Oh my god, that makes you feel fucking sick. Oh, I couldn't think of anything worse. Being in a tall ass building when it's an earthquake. Oh my god, it's actually painful. Absolutely no way, Jose. No way, no way, no way. Oh, look at GJ reversing a little bit over here. Let's take a look. Did you get in on the 4-hour bearish slip on gold? Is this someone who's traded it? Yes, was in Japan when hotel room shook. Didn't know what was happening. Oh my god. That'd be mad. So it looks like it happens in in Asia, right? A lot. Philippines, Taiwan, Japan, like kind of that area. Do you have them a lot in Australia or not?
Nah.
Alright, that's fair. There's some places in the world I'm like, why the fuck does everyone live there? Is it just because they literally just can't move away? Like there seems to be that one place in America that just gets fucking flooded every single
The
2
hurricane,
years. Yeah,
and hurricanes down south, and you're just like, why would you live
here? Like, just rebuild somewhere else. Like, I suppose maybe if they've got no money, then I mean, what can they do? I suppose, but especially when the house has just been completely fucked. But like, damn, you think maybe they just go, you know what? Let's fuck this. Let's just refuge somewhere else, like, because everything you'd built back up again, you know, it's just gonna get trashed in another 2 years. Like, what's the point? Yeah, you get human earthquakes in South Africa. They just go and rob your house. So an earthquake is when the two discs collide and they slip and the friction just builds up and they just go bump. But like, what does that even feel? Is it literally a shaking motion? Is it like I just don't know what I would expect. Like, is it just the ground just like wobbling, or is it like?
It's when a big truck drives by your house and everything shakes a bit.
Yeah.
Well, it shakes so much your chairs and all that, your furniture starts moving around on its own.
Wow, that's fucked.
We had one in UK, didn't we, a few years ago?
I vaguely remember something about it, but I never felt anything. So it mustn't have been.
Did you say it's like turbulence on a plane?
Ah.
You reckon? I don't know.
Is it like that? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, probably.
I've had some pretty bad turbulence.
Yeah, I've had some pretty fucking bad turbulence recently when I nearly died in Poland. Holy fuck.
It's like when your washing machine is on its swing cycle and you try to hold it because it wants to run off.
Yeah.
So it doesn't come out the bloody window.
That's scary shit. I didn't realise it's 8 AM for you. Yes, 8 AM right now. Oh yeah. 8 AM for me. Max, do you still trade G8? No, because the spreads are a little bit shit, and I fell out of love with it. Every time we went on it was just a bit shit, so it would have a really nice move, and then like it would range for like 4 days. You're like, well, this is kind of shit. Let's take a look at how much would it be right now. G8. It's alright there, but sometimes it goes to like 2 pips. It's like, oh, really? Yeah, look, it's nearly 2 pips already there for 1.4. Oof. Not for me. So 8 o'clock, this is where, you know, volume should be kicking in. But as you can see here, it isn't really moving yet. It looks like it's probably going to go bullish, but for me, it's just not a place I want to take trades in. So, you know, the 4-hour time frame hasn't broken the high. The previous, it has broken the low. So I just don't trust the buys, especially when the area looks like this. I want a nice clean zone. However, AJ, on the other hand, the hourly didn't close above this area, which kind of sucks. But I mean, if you've got a closure below there, above there, I don't see why not. Stream looks like a potato. Is it lagging a little bit? I think it's okay now. Gold spread is around 3 pips for me. It's terrible. Oof. 3 pips? Hell no. It's a blur. Let's take a look over here.
What's up, squad? Market looks nasty, man.
Looks nasty, doesn't it? A little bit rangy, eh? Little bit rangy, but I mean, it's all good. It's all good. It's a Monday morning.
I think the breakout's going to be nice, man.
Yeah.
I think it might just fuck off.
It was like that AJ one we waited for ages. Where was it? Yeah, here.
Yeah, initially it just
waiting
fucked
for it.
off.
Yeah. It was a shame I had to do a retest back up because that would have ran so nicely. But it just fucking had to pull back up. I think there was a little bit of news there, and then it continued later on. Oh my god, my eyes hit from that many candles there. Holy shit.
I think sells are nice. I don't mind for sells, but I think for buys above that, buys above the same area as you.
Yeah.
Man, fuck. It's gonna be one of the trades, you know, where you say hold that shit.
Yeah, it's clean candles, right?
Oh man, I'd love buys.
Yeah. Wow, look at AJ. Damn.
Man, I'm so glad Liverpool through the weekend.
Yeah, did you see United play? Oh my god.
Battered, man, again. They were put to the sword.
Oh my god. Paid for a watch. Thoughts on gold? I wanted a closure below 1870. Still hasn't got that yet. 50 minutes rejected, so yeah, nothing much there. Please don't cheat on your urine test later. I'm not doing a urine test. But yeah. Is there any news later on? Let's take a look. So hopefully, I mean, after this session, the next from 9:30 to 11:30, you can get some movements. 2 o'clock, we have a member speaking. What's he going to speak about? Money, macro, finances. That's quite interesting. That's quite a big one. So maybe why it's. Oh, look at AJ just rejecting hard. Is the other guy talking from South Africa? I recognise the accent. Yes, we have. How many South Africans do you have in now? Three? I swear I've heard another South African apart from Brian and Jason. Fucking hell, look how many people we've got in over here. Holy shit. We've got a full squad.
We're not from South Africa anymore, mate. We from the UK now, yeah? From the UK, yeah?
What was that?
That's so funny. Mate. We don't even say mate a lot. Why does everyone like from different countries, when they try and like impression it, is we say mate? I don't really say mate. I say man a lot.
Because every fucking Englishman that comes to Portugal, they say, for example, mate. Mate.
Yeah, actually, I suppose it is kind of a big thing. It's, down south, especially.
In South Africa, mate is actually like it's a disrespectful way to call a female. Like, hey, wie's jou donor se mate? It's actually disrespectful, you guys.
In Australia, you'll say "fuck off, mate" to someone you don't like, and then you'll call your mate a cunt. Completely backwards down here. Someone you don't like, you'll go "fuck off, mate," and then someone you do like, you'll go, "Yeah, you're a mad cunt."
Yeah. I heard mate is a really like bad, like, you know, they don't like you, but cunt is great.
Yeah, if you go, "Yeah, righto, mate," you know, people don't like that.
Yeah. That's so funny.
Righto, mate.
I bet like there's some like nights out and like there's some like fucking tosser English guy there, and you go, "Alright, mate," and he's like thinking you're like best part, you're a fucking cunt. You wish I was calling you a cunt right now, but it's not. Looking like GJ maybe continuing over here. I mean, risky buys would be closures above 161.070, but I am not taking that. This stream can improve a lot if you guys stop swearing. Well, unfortunately, I am not going to change the way I am, so just go to a user-friendly one so your ears don't bleed. I watched the Gary Vee podcast yesterday, and he's just like, "Yeah, I can't stop swearing, so either take it or leave it." I'm like, "Yeah, it's kind of the same for me." Like, apparently the cleverest people swear a lot, so I'm up there. What's your percentage profit so far this month? Around about 5.7%, I think. Yeah.
The stream can stop. It can improve a lot if you stop swearing. Fuck me.
You should hear the NY one.
Oh, that's it. Fuck, that's so bad.
Showing us a sign of talents were a bunch of Einsteins. Yeah. Do you have a delay in stream? Yeah, it's like 10 seconds though. It's not a lot. Any takes on US30? I have no idea how you trade US30 and not really interested. I've got Naz Bryan's teaching us, but if you send me a chart, I'll take a look and see if it looks reasonable. Because it'll probably still work out nicely, but yeah, I don't know how to trade it. I don't intend to. I get questions on Instagram all the time. I'm like, "Max, why don't you do this pair? Or why don't you do this pair?" I'm like, "Bro, I'm chill. I've got 3 pairs. Fuck off." Like, 3 pairs need 4. I'm chilling, man. I don't have to worry about it. I made 39% last month. I really couldn't care less if I need to add another pair to my strategy. It's like, no, leave me be. Leave me be. So looking like GJ breaking the high the previous 30-minute nearly, and then also the previous hourly, also nearly the previous 4 hours. So looking like buys may work out over here, but you know, I'm just gonna use my discipline to stay out of it, just because the zone is awful. Incoming GJ buys, nah, it's just you know, if you have to try, if you got into a buy here right now, well, resistance is there, resistance is there, resistance is there. This is all in the space of like 10 pips, 11 pips. It's just not worth it. So, yeah. However, gold is coming down again for the 15th billionth time. Jesus Christ. If it breaks that hourly low, could be kind of nice to continue down over here. Well, Max has 3 pairs. This is a better day of revelation. Oh my god. Any trades I can take now? Can you see if there's any trades that I'm taking right now? No. Ah, god. I do love the gulag, but goddamn, I just think of where do these people come from? Are there any trades taken right now? Well, is there a buy or a sell like here right now? No, so I'm not taking any trades. No trades taken. Oh my god, AJ just wicked all the way back up over here. Nice. Maybe 50-minute closing back above could be kind of interesting. And there you go. GJ's still struggling. Still struggling. So, who took a buy over here? Who am I going to call out today? Who took a buy here and now is in 10 pips drawdown? Who took a buy here? Name and shame. It's not actually shaming, it's actually, you know, something to look out for, you know? You might have taken that buy and go, you know what, I'm going to risk this with a buy here, stop loss below. I mean, still 15 pips stop, Jesus Christ. Thinking that 30 minutes bullish and stuff, but just always look at the zone. Is it really worth it? Wait, what? You took sells? Where? Alright. Buys with 161,550, I'd say. Yep, me too. Maybe riskier buys 347, maybe. Look at Goldie again, retracing. But like the amount of times like this session would absolutely screw me over when I was younger would be, you know, it'd be insane. It would not be a vibe in the slightest. Let's take a look at Jason over here. So we've got buys above 161079 you're looking for. Yeah, so maybe in the range 20 pips to the next resistance. That's not too bad. The zone is, you know, rather large, which is okay. Now it's actually breaking the high GJ, which is good again. Clean buys of 161,550. Beautiful. Sells below 160,797. Yep, and then sells below 165,37. That's nice, man. I like your chart as well. Your chart's kind of nice. Your lines over here, kind of nice small white ones. Kind of cool. So 50-minute candles closing bullish. So I mean, now it's more realistic for people to potentially take some buys over here with GJ, with a closure above here. But as I say, I'm just going to stay out of it because my discipline is too good, and I'll happily miss a little 10 pip trade over here to really solidify my discipline in knowing the zone is way too garbage for me. The reason why I do that is mainly for the fact that if I take a trade here and I lose it, I'm going to be so annoyed with myself for taking that trade. It isn't worth the gain, okay? I'm going to be more upset if I take a trade and lose it because the zone is so bad than if it wins, so there's no point for me. That helps me a lot of reasons for me to miss out on an entry. Because like if I look back at it later on and it's like, why did I take that max? You know, it was such a bad trade. And this comes down to, you know, the discipline what I have right now, but also to the people. So, you know, I have 129 people following my trades, you know, looking at what I'm taking. I have 365 people in YouTube. So if the trade is not perfect and not in a beautiful zone, I am teaching you guys the proper way to trade, and this is not a nice way to trade, okay? And what I mean by that is this trade may work out, right? But overall, if you do this trade 3,000 times, you're going to lose a lot more than you are going to win. So there's no point in taking it. Again, oh my god, how many times did it wick back up though? Jesus Christ, let's take a look. 15 didn't really close below again. I may have to wait for this 30, but 30 I'm leaving, unfortunately, so that kind of sucks. How long did it take to develop the mental strength and discipline to stay out of risky trades? A fucking while. So much so it took me that long where it got to the point where I was like, Max, am I really gonna do this, you know, professionally as a job, or am I just doing this stupid? Like, am I really gonna go for this ham, or am I gonna take this really, you know, properly? So when it got to that point of like going, Mike, this is kind of make or break now, you know, I just stuck with it, and you just got to. No one's gonna feel sorry for yourself if you blow an account again and again just because you're trading in a crappy zone. If GG closes back in the zone, would you contemplate the fake out entry to sell? Where is back in the zone though, my man? I mean, I think if you mean like up here, so if price came up to like 161,370, then rejected, then came back down, then yeah, maybe. But right now,
probably looking at the 15 though.
Huh?
He's probably looking at the 15.
Oh, right now.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. If you took a buy on there, it may work out. It'd be interesting to see. You may paper trade it, but yeah, the zone's just too ass for me. Oh, look at Goldie. So broken the low of the previous hourly now should drive down over here. As I say, that 50-minute candle didn't close below, so for me there was nothing there. But looking nice to continue back down now. 1863 is a really good point to take, I think, this week. Sorry, this day maybe. Good morning, Max. Could you check daily flip price for GJ again, please? I got it at 16104. It depends where you have the last day. The daily gapped, so you have it probably there. I have it there. I'm just having it when it opened. What does daily flip and 4-hour flip mean? Wow, okay, we get asked this every single day. I'm gonna have to make a video and just spam it in the chat. I've already said it once to stream, but yeah, daily and 4-hour means that when I'm on the lower time frames, I can see where the higher time frames are pointing and in the structure. So right now I know the 4 hours bearish on gold and also the daily is without even looking at the higher time frames.
Max, sorry for interruption. Apparently at the moment, President of Russia, Putin, is like speaking somewhere, so I guess people are waiting to hear what he will say to move the prices.
Yeah.
Especially on gold.
Yeah, good that you bring it up because it's May Day for them. It's the 9th of May is Victory Day for them. It's a big thing for them because they won from the Nazis in the Second World War, I think it was. It's like the biggest day in Russia for concerning all things military. They will probably have a parade in Mariupol and stuff like that to show that they won the war. So be careful with gold today.
Yeah. Seen this, the mortgages. Oh. So people with variable rate mortgages, oh my god, and also the fuel's gone up, also the water bill's gone up. Damn, people are going to be struggling, all because of a stupid cough. Fucking ridiculous. People wanted it though, so now all the grannies and all the people that have been complaining about COVID are now going to complain for the rest of their lives that they can't afford anything. It's like, well, yeah, that's what happens when you don't run a country for 2 years, you fucking melons. Now sit in your grave and fucking shut up. Right. It's so true though. I talked about this like months ago about how you're just gonna fuck the economy up as long as you're happy with that and you're fine with that. But no, now they're gonna go on Good Morning and complain about it for the rest of the the next 2-3 years. It's like, yep, that's what happens when you completely close down a country, you fucking retards. Tell him, Max. It's like moving on to the next thing. It's like because COVID was all in the news and stuff. We need to sort this out, and now now you've just crippled everyone's finances. Well done. Is Australia expensive to live in? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Is that right? Yeah, it is. My mates went over.
Yes.
It was. Yeah.
Yep. Here.
With all those pubs they have, it has to be expensive. You can't walk a mile without drinking something.
I'm coming to the UK next year, Max.
Oh, wicked. Yeah, come down, my man. That'll be fucking sick.
Yep. Scott's coming too.
Oh my god, yes.
Is that right? Imagine that. Imagine we all just roll up at your house.
Yeah, come in and stay in the crib. You'd be allowed to stay here.
We'll just knock on the door. Yeah, imagine if me, all the Aussie boys, we just knocked on, 4 blokes just knocked on your door one day. We're like, yo!
That'd be sick. I'll be like, Bevs?
Yeah, where's the nearest pub?
Oh my god, Vin, the stream could also be improved if you stop swearing, guys. Sorry. Sorry about my language.
Sorry.
Sorry. Very, very sorry. Put me on the naughty step. Okay,
Swearing police in here.
Yeah. telling Aussies not to swear is kind of hard. Same with kind of people from here.
Also, them not swearing their fucking streams. Look at them.
Wait, who?
Full send.
Oh yeah.
The Nelk boys.
Oh yeah.
They swear heaps, and look at them.
Yeah.
Difference between us and them is they've got millions and millions of dollars.
CJ, sir, please, I buy gold now. I'm not even going to answer that question.
Yes, do it.
Yes.
Full margin.
Full fucking margin, 100 lot.
50%.
Full margin.
I buy gold. Look how red that candle is.
Well,
Seriously.
Just go through all of them, right? So daily looks like that. 4 hour looks like that. Hourly looks like that. 30 minute looks like that. 50 minute looks like that. Let's take a 5 minute. So out of all of the time frames we've just looked at, none of them have any bullish. But you know what? I think that's still good.
It looks good for a buy right now. Just buy.
Well, at least he's thinking buy low and sell high.
It could be enter on the 1 minute.
Give me enter on the one.
The
1 minute's a bearish.
Just look at the monthly or something. You'll be right.
Yeah, exactly. As long as your stops are like 400 pips, I think you might be okay.
You look at the 10 yearly, it's still going to go up eventually.
Yeah, exactly.
No stop loss.
Yes.
No stop loss.
Stop loss does not matter.
Yeah, this quarterly looks like it's just making the bottom wick. It could flip eventually.
Yeah.
Quarterly.
Flip my August to be right.
I love that.
Imagine if it just reversed.
Yeah. He's like,
a move.
He's like, I've just caught fucking 300 pips.
You guys are fucking idiots.
1 second candle is bullish. Good, charts to stream. Okay, we'll take a look over here. Okay, daily's bearish, price made a support, then closed below. Price came up, tapped it, and then flipped. Very nice. That worked pretty nicely. Yeah, I wanted something like that, but the issue I had with gold is that it kept on rejecting that level like for ages, and then it finally did it. I mean, that 50-minute candle closure was actually okay. How much was the stops there? 23 pips. Wow, that nutted down nicely, man. How much is that? Yeah, that was nice. I wanted it, but I didn't have much trust in the candles. Huh?
I have a nice zone below 1866.
Yeah, me too. 1862 level would be nice. Look here, the buys now. Shit. CJ.
Plus, I was hunting down the 5 minute. Fuck, man, I couldn't get anything.
Look, I like that, right? CJ was the guy who just said, "Can I take a gold buy?" But now he's just laughing and goes, "Done me." But he takes a joke. Oh my god, someone that can actually take a joke. Oh my god, amazing.
Oh, he's good for mentorship then.
Yeah. Yeah, you've rinsed each other the whole time. Milan calls me a cunt and I pay his fucking bills.
That's just Milan's way to say he loves you.
Yeah, exactly. Sir, please buy Tesla now. Such it. It's always the sir, isn't it? If I get an Instagram DM and sir pops up, I know it's some fucking absolute specimen. It's like, bro, I'm just called Max. Just say hi, bro. Sir, how can I calculate? Yeah, it always starts as sir. Let's take a look at gold now. Oh shit, you and me in some profit right now. When that 1 minute candle closed bullish. Whoa.
Damn, he knows something.
Yeah, he's trading with the banks. He has got smart money concepts. We only have dumb, remember? So. Dumb money concepts only. I guess I get some Instagram DMs now of people getting messaged by other people going, "Hi, do you use smart money concepts?" And they're all just saying, "I use dumb money concepts." Hey, yes, Max. How is your crypto portfolio looking? I sold everything on March the 15th, so pretty good. I feel great right now. Where did I sell? Let's take a look then. Let's take a look at XRP. This is gonna be great. It went up straight after. I was like, oh, really? I just missed the boat again. Oh wait, not that one. Second. Oh yeah, USDT. Yeah, that's fine. Right. So I got out. Oh my god, this is ages ago. Jesus Christ. These months go way too quick, man. Let me just zoom out. Okay, so we are there right now. I got out around about there, I think. So, quite a significant amount of money I would have lost.
We were talking about it, we're like, just take your money, man. Don't just wait for it to really plummet. You know what I mean?
Yeah. How about GJ buys now? It looks like the GJ buys, if someone's been in them, has been horrendous. Been taking a shitload of drawdown. 50 minutes closing in a minute's time. Bearish isn't looking too good. 30 minute though, still 30 minutes closing as well. Oh shit, I need to go. Oh my god. Okay, sorry guys. That kind of sucks. I want to stay on for longer, man, but I'm gonna miss this doctor's appointment. If I miss it again, holy shit, I'm probably gonna die. So.
Take the Evo. Take the Evo.
Yeah, take the Evo. Nah, it's a Lotus today. Some Batman shit. Oh my god, yeah. I'll fly down in that Evo. But yeah, guys, I would chill out. I mean, looking like, ooh, GJ may pop up over here, but stops like 12, 13 pips. May work out over here. But yeah, let's take a look at AJ. AJ in a range. I would not worry about it too much. And gold, I mean, closures below 1867. I think you should be good. But yeah, guys, sorry for going a bit early, but I gotta do this over here. But yeah, normally I'll stay until like 9:15, 9 o'clock. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for coming on. And yeah, let's just take a look over here. Yeah, 14 pips. Yeah, it's still too much. Okay, so thank you very much for coming on, guys, and I'll see you guys later. And people, you guys can just jump in and Zoom if you guys want. If you guys just jump in someone else's Zoom
or Discord, either way.
Yeah, right.
Just rip that guy about gold buys, and he's probably up like 30 pips right now.
Right, see you later, guys. Peace out.
Yeah.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. I'm sorry it was a short one, but we'll be back tomorrow. So yeah, guys, peace out. I'll put that cool one on. See you later, alligator.